2018 Dodge Durango 345 Hemi. Really beautiful Durango RT. What we got done on it for you guys, factory converters, there and there. Then we usually comes with a suitcase muffler. We took that off and put some FLOWMASTER Outlaws right there. And right there, part number 815425. There'll be a link in the description for them. Then we left the original 2.25 pipe out the back. Then we did a rear resonator delete there and there into some 5-inch tips, black. Because you know, why not? They look so much better on these. That's how they should come from the factory, with the 5-inch black tips. There's a suitcase muffler in the middle. There's the 2 rear resonators and the measly 3-inch tips that we took off because they ugly. Much nicer, much cleaner. Came out beautiful. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Oh, it's better. You guys should see his face. He's so happy. Give me again. Woo-hoo. Sound decibels? Again. I'll rub it hard. 117. Wow. Go ahead and push, bring it back. There you go. Much better. Let you guys hear on the inside. FLOWMASTER Outlaws, rear delete, 5-inch tips.